Good evening and welcome everyone in our advanced spoken English classes with Live 3. Thank you so much for giving us this golden opportunity. By the way, my name is Dr. Chandni Makam and she is Dr. Nusrat. And today we would like to perform a short debate where our topic is government school and private school, where I prefer government school and she prefer private school. So without wasting any time, let's start. Okay. I think that government school is best for our kids.
What is the reason?
Reason is there is a mandatory fees or kids learn their basic knowledge in only government school.
Basic knowledge.
Basic knowledge and basic behavior.
And there in private school they are not learn basic knowledge and good
Maybe.
behavior.
Maybe they learn basic knowledge or good etiquette, but where I think that if I see any children who is passed out from any private school, they have no etiquettes to talk with their elder, and if we see kids who passed out from government school, they have many life experience like how to talk with their teacher, how to engage himself with their friends, and many more things kids can't learn in private school, which is learned in government school.
I totally disagree with your talk. Just because of nowadays private college there are many infrastructure.
We are talking about school, not in college.
Okay, school. Sorry. In private school there are many infrastructure, and infrastructure means like smart class also, and a very good environment also. In in a government school there are lots of dirty in class. I think it's very dirty class in government school, and compare rather to private school, it's a very good environment. They have not a blackboard, they have a smart board, and they read to their students with projector also, and they teach to their students I think PowerPoint presentation also. So that is easily it is easily in students minds on it what our teacher say, yeah, or what our teacher teaches. So it is easily students understand. That's their lecture.
You are talking about private schools facilities.
And yeah, facilities. And one thing is in the way I see it, government college teachers are very lazy, and due to government I don't know, or due to any other or some reason I don't know, but the way I see it, according to me, very lazy. They take one period and skip second period, and they take third period and skip any other period. But in private college, teachers should think about that. It is mandatory and it is necessary to take our class. I don't know what is the reason, I don't know, but the way I see it, according to me, it is. So, are you agree with my point?
I'm totally disagree with you.
Okay.
The first point is that we are talking about majority of children. So I think the majority of in our country or our state, all I don't think people has more much money for a private school. They can't consider their children, and they don't have that money to
That is
pay
not,
the fees
that
of
is not
private
enough
school.
money that I think you keep your point.
Tell me about money of any private school.
I think and
1 lakh donation
no,
for admission.
No.
1 lakh
1 lakh.
donation.
No.
Okay. What is the fees of DPS or KPS?
DPS or KPS, I don't actually. I have no child. Just because of
Okay.
I don't know.
And I am telling you, I have two kids.
I don't know, but it is they
near about 1 lakh is admission fees, and near about 1200 in every month. Monthly fees.
when they have taken fees, they provide that type of thing that we have taken. So
Only
we
we
have
have
we have
few
provide also.
families we have they admitted their kids in private school. But if we are talking about majority of kids in our state, they can't afford any private school. Then what will happen in with their future?
Uh,
Okay,
and I
they
think
are
when a student when students study in a private school also, they have their good future.
So you think that if they have no money, then they don't need to go any school? If they can't afford private school, then they don't need to go any school.
Parents don't give money the government school. Say don't. I think they
Government school never demand any money.
just because of government now. Just because of government.
Okay, they never
They
demand
have
any
no.
money.
They have no many more infrastructure also. Na, they have no more class also. Don't they? They don't.
Have you
teach.
have you gone any government school nowadays?
Yeah. Obviously.
Obviously. Okay.
Yeah.
You know that government school has also
It is only
also
Rangoli
project-
competition.
No, yes.
And it is in government school. It is on Rangoli competition and 100-meter or 200 meters race that is enough. And in private school, they have lots of infrastructure. Like we have never seen it. We have never seen it in nowadays. Seriously, in nowadays. It is mehndi competition also, drawing also, and race also, sports also, long jump also.
If they have lots of infrastructure,
They have taken fees,
They have
and they have
taken
taken fees, and they have taken
and
also.
government school has never taken any fees, and they provide also facility a projector and many more competition like debate competition, like sport competition, or of course Rangoli competition, Mehndi competition, youth festival, and many more
Youth
competition.
festival,
Yes,
youth festival in government school, youth festival in government school,
Yes.
and youth festival or private school. Compare it. There in government school there are lots of big stage and lots of very I think lots of big stage in government school, and their trainer or learner also is out of country in government schools. But in private school, no, I think no one arts and crafts teacher also, and no one singing teacher also, and no one dancing teacher also. Yeah, and it is only maths, social science, English, maths, and Hindi. Only
Nowadays in every government school there is a dance teacher, sports teacher.
If government schools take it seriously now,
Yes,
if government schools take it seriously, there has no private school in our society. Why it is mandatory for it, and why it is compulsion for us that parents are going to government school for their children. They have no जिसको क्या बोल सकते हैं, उनको शौक नहीं होता. They have no
interest.
interest to fees, giving money, giving fees. They have no interest, but it is their compulsion for their parents that they thought in their mind that our child is in everywhere, in every area show very good performance. That's why it's seriously government school is seriously take this matter. For all of private school are banned, all of TPS, MGM, lots of school, KPS, Kings and Queen in Charoda, lots of. Okay, so that is my point.
Okay. I am here, Chaurada, in only one reason, just because of government school Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay. And I am able to pay 1 lakh and 1200 every month for my kids. Okay, I'm able. After that, I prefer government school because I know the facilities they provide to our kids, and after passing 12th, if my kid go anywhere out of state, if they go Delhi, if they go Mumbai or Kolkata and anywhere, anyone ask them that where did you completed your school? If they say I have completed my school in Kings and Queen in Jyoti school, he yeah, he listened that what is Jyoti school and what is King and Queen school. And if they say that I have completed my schooling in Kendriya Vidyalaya, then everyone knows Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay, so it is the position of Kendriya Vidyalaya or position of any government
Just
school is very
because
high.
of government, only just because of government, not any other thing. Just
Oh,
because,
I
just
think you
because
have-
of government.
I think you have
KV
to
is-
go any government
KV is
school
good
and
and Atmanand is good just because of government. Yeah, if I told that,
No,
if
they-
seriously
nowadays
government
they
takes,
nowadays they provide very good facilities. You have to go any government school and see. They have projectors. They have many more facilities.
I don't.
And
I
if
don't
we
think so.
okay, we are talking
don't.
about youth festival. So I have given you one example that my 2 students participate in youth festival, and many private school and colleges students are also participated in youth festival, and my 2 students are win in youth festival in front of private school student or private school colleges. Why they win? If their medium is also in Hindi.
No, not.
I am giving you an example, and they go and they went Karnataka, and they win a certificate from Karnataka also.
Yeah, they have talent. I think they have talent. That's why they taken win. Yeah, they taken winner. Okay, they have talent also. It is,
And I'm also from government school,
yeah, it is good.
and I am in very highest position right now.
I respect you. I respect you for core to my heart. I seriously respect to you. But nowadays, compared to government school to private school are good. I think.
I'm agreed
just-
in only one
just
point
because
that
of-
private school provide us very good facilities.
Yeah, very good facilities.
Very good facilities in only infrastructure, but not.
Infrastructure.
But they, I don't think they doesn't give. They don't give our
In
children.
private school students, they have lots of manner also. They well mannered also. And you told me they not mannered. They also well mannered also. Okay, and no need to go about Delhi, Hyderabad, Madras, Chennai. It is in Raipur.
They want to.
he make
No,
their-
if
he-
our kids
he
want
make
to
their-
go Delhi or Mumbai, then and that time what will they do?
Okay. They see. I think it's an endless topic. Both are good or both are bad. There are two
Both are
parts
bad
of
in grammatical mistakes. So.
Topic.
So it is a endless topic. I
So
think.
it's time to your conclusion. Come on.
Yes, okay. I prefer government school, sir, because of fees or many more things. So people teaches manner and many more things in government school. Teachers cover their syllabus also. So I
In
think
private school covered their syllabus also, and they have taken fees so they have taken
we are talking about only majority, not some people.
and in government school students
You did your research now.
yeah.
You did your research.
Yeah.
How can you use your sampling? What is sampling? Tell me.
No, my topic is
Any
apart
topic.
from,
I'm talking about sampling, and sampling is a method of research.
apart
It
from
is a sampling is a methodology. So
It is-
what is sampling? Give me answer.
don't
Come on, give me
apart
answer.
from my topic, please.
What is
It
that?
is not our topic. It is not our topic.
Okay, I'm giving the answer. Sampling is that only thing that sampling is a representative of our state or our majority. Okay, that is sampling. Majority. Sampling is a process
lots
of
of people say
presenting.
that the government school is good, and lots of say that private is good. So I don't think so. Majority. It is.
Okay, give conclusion.
I think private school are good, and just not because of their fees. Their fees are very high. I know about that, and it is not good. But I prefer private school. That's why their students are very brilliant now in their study, just because of many more things. So private school is good, I think.